Sayote has a vitamin C, strengthens immune system. Vitamin B6 support brain function. Folate, important for cell growth. Potassium helps control blood pressures. Fiber aids digestion and low in calories and fat. The repolyo has a vitamin C, boosts immunity. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. Fiber, good for digestion. Antioxidants, protect body from diseases. Foliate helps in red blood cells formation. The carrots has a vitamin A, good for eyesight. Vitamin C, immune booster. Potassium supports heart health. Fiber improves digestion. Antioxidants fight harmful cells. And last, the giniling has a protein, builds and repairs muscles. Iron prevents anemia. Zinc supports immune system. Vitamin B12 good for brain and nerves. And last is healthy fats provides energy. Complete and balanced nutrition. The vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while the giniling provides protein and iron. This combination supports muscle growth, strong bones, and overall body strength. It is good for digestion. Sayote, repolyo, and carrots are rich in fiber, which helps prevent constipation and keeps the stomach healthy. This dish is light and but filling. It will boost our immune system. Vitamin C from sayote, cabbage, and carrots helps the body fight sickness. Zinc and protein from giniling strengthen immune defense. It is healthy for the heart because potassium from vegetables helps control blood pressure, and when cooked with less oil, the dish is heart friendly. It is also good for our eyes, skin, and energy. Vitamin A from carrots keeps the eyes and skin healthy. Protein and B vitamins from the giniling helps fight fatigue and give energy. And lastly, it is budget friendly but nutritious. This meal is affordable, filling, and healthy, perfect for daily family meals. And this is my final product.